To evaluate the integral x log x dx, we can use integration by parts. The formula for integration by parts is then we need to find du and v. Now, we can apply the integration by parts formula. Simplify the integral on the right-hand side. Now, integrate x. So we have simplify the expression. Therefore, the integral is. Now that we have evaluated this integral, let's find the practical use. The integral x log x dx has several practical applications in various fields of mathematics, science, and engineering. Here are a few examples. Probability and statistics. In probability theory, the integral x log x dx can appear in the context of calculating moments of certain probability distributions, such as the log normal distribution. It is also used in the study of entropy and information theory, where logarithmic functions are common. Physics. In thermodynamics, the integral can arise when calculating entropy changes in systems, where the energy distribution follows a logarithmic law. In quantum mechanics, logarithmic functions often appear in the context of wave functions and probability densities. Economics. In economics, logarithmic functions are used to model utility functions and production functions. Integrals involving logarithms can appear in the calculation of consumer surplus, producer surplus, and other economic measures. Mathematics. The integral x log x dx is a classic example used in calculus textbooks to illustrate the technique of integration by parts. It can also appear in the study of special functions, such as the gamma function and the polylogarithm function. Computer science. In algorithm analysis, logarithmic functions are used to describe the time complexity of algorithms, such as binary search and balanced tree operations. Integrals involving logarithms can appear in the analysis of algorithm performance. Here is an example of how this integral might be used in a practical context. Example: calculating the mean of a log normal distribution. The log normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution of a random variable whose logarithm is normally distributed. The probability density function, PDF, of a log normal distribution is given by To find the mean of this distribution, we need to evaluate the integral. This integral involves a term of the form x log x, and evaluating it requires techniques similar to those used in integrating x log x. In summary, the integral x log x dx is a fundamental tool in various scientific and engineering disciplines, providing insights into the behavior of systems described by logarithmic functions.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.